Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are creating this beautiful jumbo Bantu knot on my beautiful model. So for the hair, you're going to need about half. I use half a pack of one extension. I use Lush hair extension in color black. You're also going to need a bit of rubber band. You're going to need some gel. You're going to need a tail comb and maybe like a wide tooth comb to detangle your hair first. So our hair is short, and in order for me to maneuver, we have to use this rubber band. So I could not get that black rubber band. We had to make do with what we have at the studio, and that's what we have on here. But stay tuned to see how we added the extension. I'm going to list everything I use for the hair in my description box. Definitely check it out. Leave me a comment below if you got questions, and if you really like this hairstyle and you want to try it out, let me know in the comments. Yeah, so I'm trying to show you guys up close how we put the extension through the hair, and then we wrap everything together with the with your natural hair, and then we just twist round and round until there's nothing left to twist. And as you're twisting it, it starts to break on its own and form that twist by itself. So just follow it, and then you'll be able to achieve Bantu knot. So she had asked me to hold the tip for her, so I'm pretty much just showing you side by side, left and right, what's going on. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give it a thumbs up if you like it. At the end of the day, comment below if you'll be doing this style. Stay through to the end to see the final look, and we also created a makeup tutorial. I'll also be uploading that in my next video, so you definitely want to watch that. It's pretty amazing. She looked super gorgeous. She looked like a real Igbo bride. So yeah, shout out to all the Igbo brides out there. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye. Mwah.